Welcome to this week's 3-Minute Thursday. Despite the tremendous advantage of 3D modeling, many companies still rely on 2D files. Sometimes these are legacy mechanical drawings that have not been converted to 3D. Many times these are electrical designs which were created in 2D CAD before SOLIDWORKS Electrical became available. If your company is in this situation, hopefully you're using SOLIDWORKS PDM to store all of your 3D and 2D engineering documents. If so, then you know how convenient it is to be able to view the bill of materials, or BOM, for a SOLIDWORKS assembly without even having to open the file. This advantage extends even to users who don't have SOLIDWORKS installed on their computers. Unfortunately, this convenience isn't afforded by 2D files because of their disconnected nature. Enter SOLIDWORKS Manage. SOLIDWORKS Manage sits on top of your PDM professional system to extend its capabilities by adding dashboards and reports, process and project management, and, as you're about to see, bill of materials functions even for 2D files. So how does SOLIDWORKS Manage do this? First, it knows what files are stored in your PDM vault and automatically creates a record for each one based on rules you configure. With these records in place, you can easily create a bill of materials by adding the records to a BOM for a 2D file. No need to do this for SOLIDWORKS assemblies because just like PDM, SOLIDWORKS Manage already understands those relationships. For 2D files, you can streamline this process by importing data from an Excel spreadsheet. This information could come from an export of a DWG file or an MRP or ERP system. I'm running out of time, so let me quickly show you how this is done. Here in SOLIDWORKS Manage, I have created an import template for the BOM information that I'm going to retrieve from my Excel file. I've also created an Excel file containing the information with matching column headers. In this case, I used a function in DraftSite to export the block attributes from the parts list on the DWG file. So in Manage, all I have to do is open and check out the record for the electrical enclosure, and then view the current BOM, which is empty, and choose Edit. While I could proceed to build the bill of materials by adding individual items, I'm instead going to choose Tools, Import from Excel File. I will choose my file and ensure that the correct BOM template is selected, and click Preview Data. I'm satisfied with the result, so I'll click Import. You'll notice that the 12th item has no part number and therefore no record in SOLIDWORKS Manage, so it was added as a text line as indicated by the blue diamond. I now have my BOM for a 2D drawing in SOLIDWORKS Manage. This is just a small example of what SOLIDWORKS Manage can do for your company. Thanks for watching this week's 3-Minute Thursday.